For local news, I'm Brink here. Health Minister Jonathan Coleman says new funding for Wanadapa DHB in Budget 2017 increases the DHB's total allocation to a record level. Wanadapa DHB will receive an extra $5 million in new money this year, taking the DHB's total funding to $144 million for the 2017-18 year. That's an extra $35 million in funding over the last 9 years. The extra health funding also includes allocations for disability support services, ambulance emergency services, new mental health initiatives, as well as the bowel screening program. Kiwis are being challenged to get behind Arbor Day on Monday the 5th of June and be part of a record-setting attempt to plant the largest number of native trees in New Zealand in one day. Arbor Day is about inspiring people to plant and nurture trees. New Zealand's first Arbor Day planting was on the 3rd of July 1890 at Greytown, and the children from Greytown School, residents and dignitaries then planted 153 trees at the southern end of town. More than 125 years later, the day holds even greater significance as climate change becomes an ever-pressing concern. And in sport, Dalefield men's hockey scored a 4-0 victory on Saturday over Indians and now sit third on the table, while the women won 2-1 over Victoria University and sit second. And the Wanadapa United men continued their winning ways to the top of the table. They remain with a 4-1 victory last weekend over Stopout.